Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel that is Tech Aruna, and I hope all of you know about that. I'm running a series on Canva tutorial. So in today's episode, we are going to see about how to add folded paper text effect using Canva. So without wasting much of the time, let us go to Canva platform, sign in and take a blank template. After that, go to text. Now I'm going to use a simple word. Yes, after adding that, make it bigger in size. This is, and you can change the font style also. I'm going to use something very, let me type Anton. Done. Now I need to change the background so that whatever we are going to do, that is going to be very clearly visible. I'll use black. Now the letter colors, font color should be changed again to white. Done. Now, so you need to go to elements, type square shadow and choose this shadow, and then you can actually place it or position it. You can twist and turn, and then you can make it in bigger size, and then wherever you want to place it, you're going to place it here. Now you can actually increase the or decrease the transparency so that it will look like exact folding. So you can do it here, and then you can actually go and then place it. So still it is not placed properly. Yes, I think this is perfect. Now you can copy the same, duplicate it, and then get it done here also in O also. You can do it and twist and turn and then place it accordingly. If you want to place it a little bit this side or this side, I think this will do. Yes, do this way. Adjust the position. Again, duplicate it and then bring it in the third W, second W, and then again you can twist and turn to position it again. Now I'm going to place it here. Let the fold be in another area. I've done this. Now this is exactly how we can do it. Now what to do is you have to share it as PNG. Now what you have to do is share and download this. I want only the, yes, I'm going to download this page. I'm downloading it. Done. Yes, done. Now I'm going to upload this file. Yes, done. Now let us see how we are going to do it. You're going to add another page and add this warp here. Done. Now we need to edit this image, remove the background. Now your folded effect is available here. To get it properly visible, you have to go to the background color change. Let us see here. Now you can see how your wow looks with folded effect. You can go for any color change and do it. Now this is how this effect looks like. So after this, you can share or copy and paste it in any other image and then use it. So that's all from my desk today. And if you found this useful, click the button like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions, do comment in the comment box. And thank you for watching.